Hello everyone. I wish all of you a happy Mother's Day. We are learning volley kicks. Before that, I'll introduce my mother.
Namaste, I am Pushpati Mallikarjun, mother of Vikas.
We'll start the session with the warm up. The first one is spin with the ball. I'm happy to tell you all that my mother will be there in the session when we are practicing skills. Here, I need to use my sole part of the foot where I drag the ball in a clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Make sure you do all the warm up drill for around 30 seconds. We'll move to the next warm up drill, that is side taps. We have already learned side taps, so we'll quickly finish with the side taps. Here's the next warm up drill, that is butt kicks. Try doing this faster so that you'll quickly increase your heartbeat. I am now doing a sideways. Once I have finished with my cardio in my warm up, I'll stretch my quad muscle. We'll now move to the next stretch, that is wide stretch. Give a proper stretch on your muscle. Stay in the same posture for around 30 seconds. Spend around 5 to 10 minutes on your warm up. Now we'll move to the skill practice. As I have told you all before that today's session is special as my mother is going to assist me in my session. We'll learn the first skill, that is inner foot volley, where I'm using my inner part of the foot, right and left. I suggest you all to keep a ball tension bit low as we all are practicing at home. In this skill, the ball is coming from the front and I am sending it to my right. If the ball bounces too much, it will be difficult at home. It may damage or ball may go out of control quickly. The wooden chair which is to my right is my target for the drill. Make sure you contact exactly at the center of the ball properly with your inner part of the foot. We'll now practice it with our right leg. I need to change my place. Make sure you are active on your toes. I'm using my right inner part of the foot in this drill, contacting exactly the center of the ball, reaching the target. I'm teaching you the next skill, that is contacting using lace part. This skill is lace part volley. I'll get the ball from one side and I'll change its direction. I'll flex my knees, flex my ankle and contact exactly at the center of the ball to reach the target. Make sure you do not kick it hard. Use your lace part. Try to improve your contact in this skill. Later, once you are in the ground, you can put extra load on the ball and practice the same skill. It's a partner activity and the direction of the ball is changed when it is in air. This skill is also called as side volley. Now I'm gonna teach you the next skill, that is header, where I'm changing the ball direction and the angle when it is in the air as we were practicing in the previous two skills. In this skill, I need to occupy the line of the ball, have eye contact on the ball, contact exactly at the center of the ball, use your forehead to reach the target. I'm changing the ball's direction by twisting my neck and pushing the ball to the other direction. Practice taking your shoulders back chest back before exerting a force, but still do not exert huge load on the ball as we are practicing it at home. Practice the proper contact, the angle of the ball, occupying the line of the ball. If the ball is higher, you can even take a jump to occupy its line. So we have learnt 3 skills for today. I'm happy that the session was with my mother. We will review our class now. In the first skill, we practiced volley kicks using our inner part of the foot. In the second skill, we practiced volley kick using our lace part. In the third skill, we practiced header. I hope you will practice these skills with your mother as we practiced today. I wish you a happy Mother's Day again. And I also thank my mother for helping me in this session. Thank you, everyone.